Hi everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Tuesday. Have you ever received an email that looked completely legitimate, only to find out it was a scam? You're not alone. Phishing emails have become incredibly common, and scammers are getting better at making them look like they're from trusted sources inside your organization. In today's video, I'll show you how to identify these fake emails in seconds and what you should do if one lands in your inbox. Let's get started. Let's practice identifying phishing emails and learn how to respond appropriately to protect yourself and our organization. You receive this email appearing to be from your CEO. It requests that you purchase gift cards for client gifts and send the codes immediately. Let's analyze this email for phishing indicators. First, notice the sender address. While it shows the CEO's name, the domain is slightly different from our company domain. There's an extra hyphen. The message creates urgency and requests secrecy, classic manipulation tactics. It also has several grammar errors and formatting mistakes, which would be unusual in an executive communication. What should you do? The correct action is to report this as phishing without responding. This is a common gift card scam. In this scenario, you receive an email claiming to be from the IT support team. It states your password will expire in 24 hours and provides a link to update it. Let's identify the suspicious elements. The email uses a generic greeting rather than your name. The company logo is slightly off-brand. The colors aren't quite right. Most importantly, hovering over the link reveals it doesn't go to our company website, but instead to an external domain. What's the correct response? You should report this as phishing. Remember, legitimate IT departments rarely ask you to click email links to update passwords. They would direct you to the official company portal. Here's a trickier scenario. You receive an invoice from what appears to be a legitimate vendor. The email address looks correct, and you do work with this company. However, notice the attachment. It's a .doc file which can contain macros, small programs that can run automatically when the document opens. Even though the sender appears legitimate, unexpected attachments always warrant caution. This could be a compromised vendor account or a spoofed email. The best approach is to contact the vendor through your established communication channel to verify they sent an invoice before opening the attachment. Now that we can identify phishing attempts, what will we do to prevent and respond to them? If you suspect an email is phishing, never click any links or open attachments. Don't reply to the sender. This confirms your address is active. Use the phishing report button in our email client. This looks like a small phishing hook icon in the toolbar. After reporting, delete the email. If you believe the phishing attempt may be targeting multiple employees, alert your team or department. Let's review what we've learned about email security and phishing awareness. Remember to verify any unexpected requests, scrutinize sender information, and be especially cautious of messages creating urgency or pressure. Always inspect links before clicking and report anything suspicious to help protect the entire organization. If you want to learn how to protect yourself from security threats, be sure to check out our information security course on Udemy. Nearly 10,000 professionals from various organizations have already enrolled in the course to improve their security awareness and build safer online habits. You'll find the 40% discounted course link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Tutorial Tuesday.